You would never know as beautiful of a morning that it is. And the birds are singing so much that we had such devastation from this Hurricane Milton. And then before that, Helene. I am 73 years old, and I think my day of keeping animals and dealing with all these storms. I'm sitting in my truck now charging my phone. I think the days are done. I think I'm gonna migrate to another place. Anybody have any ideas? I was thinking about the Carolinas, but that is long gone, and Tennessee. Tennessee is inundated with dams all over, especially the one north of Nashville in Kentucky. It's just, you just wonder if there's any safe place for us to go anymore. Now, I know we're in God's hands, but He also gave us a brain to think. And I don't know what to think, so I'm leaving it in God's hands. It's just everything is a trash mess. So, if you have electricity today, praise God. If you were able to shower today, praise God. If you have running water, praise God. My daughter's house took water for the second time in St. Pete. I know people that have totally lost their house down there. Others are just out of work because their business was destroyed. They still have loans on these businesses, and what to do. I applied for FEMA to get some help here, and I was turned down because they said this was not a disaster county. Okay, over just 9 miles from here, people took 18 feet of water in Helene. I'm so disgusted with this current regime. If you are voting for Kamala, your judgment day will come when you pass. That's all I can say. You don't vote for evil. And that's all I'm going to say. You have a wonderful, blessed day. You hear those birds? That's a sign life goes on. Like my video, subscribe if you want, and God bless you.